Hi guys, welcome to this, which is going to be us botching this fucking filter change and all. So this is what you can see, I hope, is the hydraulic filter. We believe is behind why the fan's so shit, because as you can see there's not exactly much left of this filter. We have a new one. Have we brought a new one under with us? No. No.
That's a good fucking start, isn't it?
You're full of confidence and cheap You're showing off your moves and hope for attention. And I turn my life into an imitation I don't know.
As always, welcome back to the worst preservation channel on YouTube. For an oil filter change, it doesn't even bring the filter. We have a slightly limited window because we're doing this, the air is slowly coming out the box. So we'll run out of workspace eventually. I say run out. It's right. You ready? I'm going to puncture this. So bucket needs to come underneath. We need to start filming angle there. Bucket needs to come underneath because this is just going to come out fucking wherever the hole is. In theory, because it won't come undone. I've just gone through the label there. We're missing the bucket. So this is how you do an oil change, a filter change if you can't get it off. So you hammer a screwdriver in, and then you get covered in it. Let's just move yours a little bit back, and you just sort of, yeah, all this oil's coming out. I can see it now. Let me hammer that in a bit further. I'm getting it here. Ow! We know you can't see anything, we're just... You might have to see something there. Yes, Ian, this is really easy, this, Ian. Ah, I got it in my eye first. Might need a second bucket.
What is it filling up?
I don't know, but there's 40 litres. Or 20 litres in here, but how big's your bucket?
I'll fucking go for my own bargains.
I think we're gonna have to let it drain out. This is the height, one of the highest points though, so it should not be too bad.
Hopefully.
I'll try and get this screwdriver in further so we actually go through the fucking thing. Problem is, I can't get a decent angle on this attack. Getting fucking covered. Right, that should do it. We should be under enough. Under enough. We should be there enough that we can. No, what we're doing is making the hole bigger. Should we let it drain a bit? Because we're making quite a puddle here on the floor.
Quite a puddle. More on the floor than is in the bucket.
It might be fine because it's slowly dripping off. this filter seems to be that gone. This screwdriver's just going through it. Well, it's taken us 5 minutes and all the fluid is coming out. It's making me want to pee. Well, at least that helps. It's actually just flowing now down.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to have to let it all run out the filter. I will add, there is no way of actually draining this fluid. There's no drain point in the system. It's either your system fails and it all comes out in great quantities, or you pump it back out. Now we could pump it back out. Do I have a look on the tank, how much is left in it? You know where the tank is on this, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, if you open the bonnet, you'll be able to read the bloody thing. The big metal box with the red shit in it. On what would be your right. Underneath the coolant tank. Got it? Has it gone down any?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
What, the red light?
Yeah.
It's still roughly near the top.
Well, where's the liquid that's in it?
Near the bottom.
Good. What? Yeah, it's a little bit full, isn't it? Hang on. Let me make it into one stream. Right. Pull that one away.
Chocolate. You don't have a banana, you know why you're at it.
No. Ah! Hang on, let me come out. Just put my head in the ATF.
I know, I heard.
Fuck's sake.
There's nothing like it, you